Today, we're going to make magic together. We'll go from this to this in seconds. But here's the cool part. This exact same process works for business content, historical videos, social media shorts, and so much more. Keep watching to learn more. Okay, so I'm in Canva. The first thing I'll do is go to Canva AI. Then it'll bring me to this area here. Next, I'll choose Image and then choose Standard, Premium, or Ultra. I'll use Premium for now. You can also choose an aspect ratio, such as 16:9. You can also choose a different style if you want to. I'm going to enter my prompt here. A beautiful white unicorn with a blue mane and tail is walking through a colorful spring forest meadow, 2D cartoon style. So let's click Submit. Now Canva is creating the image. They'll create a few options. Here are my 3 different options. They all look really good. I'll choose this one, then I'll download it. If you didn't like any of these, you could always make another one. For now, I'll go back to Canva AI, and this time I'm going to choose Video Clip. So I could choose Premium or Ultra. I'll use Premium. You can change the style if you wanted to, and also choose an aspect ratio. I won't add audio, but you could if you wanted to. But I will upload this image I made a minute ago of the unicorn. And here's my prompt telling the AI what I want to happen. Then click Submit. I will point out that Canva AI does take longer to create a video than the image-to-video option, but it also does a better job making videos overall. Okay, it's completed, so let's click here and watch. Yes, that is really nice. The quality of it is really good. We could make more of these and put them together to create a longer story. In fact, using this same method I just showed you, you could make a lot of things with Canva AI. For example, children's stories, educational videos, a historical documentary, bedtime stories, Bible stories, training videos, how-to videos, book trailers, or family videos. So I hope these ideas will give you some inspiration of other things you could make yourself. And now it's time for you to try making a few new videos of your own. Have fun experimenting!
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.